Hello everyone, today we're going to look at B major and G sharp minor set of scales. So let's take a look. Also, let's look at it at a slower tempo. And now let's prepare for the G sharp minor. Playing scales every day has many benefits. You can look that up by doing a search online. But one of the benefits I wanted to discuss today is training your fingers, training your mind how to place fingers with certain spacing between them, and be able to think when is it a tone and when is it a half tone, and how to react and be ahead of yourself, so to speak, in your mind. This is sort of like training yourself how to type on the computer. You're training to subconsciously respond to hitting a different key, depending what you're trying to type and the speed that you're trying to go with, without actually consciously thinking about which key you are trying to go for with which finger. So in some ways, this is similar. So yeah, hopefully that little analogy helps. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would also appreciate it if you visited my website for more information about the lessons I teach online. Thank you for watching.